Strict. Jahra. Go for us. All Jamaica, put an hand in the ear. Wave them side to side. Yeah. Anna.
I'm proud to be Jamaican since the day that I died. I'm proud to be
Land
Jamaican.
of food and water.
Man, I feel be Jamaican till the day that we die. So hold your head high. We're proud to be Jamaican. I'm proud to be Jamaican till the day that I die. We're proud to be
Land
Jamaican.
of food and water.
We're proud to be Jamaican till the day that I die. So hold your head high. We're proud to be Jamaican.
Lovely dainty, Spanish needle. I know you're still running wild. Oh, I miss those good old people growing up as a child. Words of wisdom makes me strong, gives me hope, makes me where I belong. Yeah. Mama said, speak the truth, or else you're gonna feel our wounds. Yes, I remember when I was a youth. Catch a hungry feeling, just go pick a grapefruit. Check papa, me a piece of cane root. That's the living truth.
We're proud to be Jamaican since the day that I died. I'm proud to be
Land of
Jamaican.
food and water.
Man, I feel be Jamaican till the day that we die. So hold your head high. We're proud to be Jamaican. Man, proud to be Jamaican till the day that I die. We're proud to be
Land
Jamaican.
of food and water.
We're proud to be Jamaican till the day that I die. So hold your head high. We're proud to be Jamaican.
Ackee and saltfish are the national dish. Family time, dinner time, those times I really miss. Barbecues, field trips, baby we and tune it a kick. Red dragon, butcher bantan from before terror get sick. See me clocks look neat, me still chart sick. And me not gonna touch the switch without me three-star ratchet. For me virgin under 50, we are way through the traffic. From Parade to Crossroad, half a tree down static. If you never know, make we tell you about John. With the pan paper chase, that mean we hustle here on. Not take no man for fool because we not got one laugh. Cause out of many one people, we share the same
We're proud
heart.
to be Jamaican since the day that I died. I'm proud to be
Land of
Jamaican.
food and water.
Man, I feel be Jamaican till the day that we die. So hold your head high. We're proud to be Jamaican. Man, proud to be Jamaican till the day that I die. We're proud to be
Land
Jamaican.
of food and water.
We're proud to be Jamaican till the day that I die. So hold your head high. We're proud to be Jamaican.
Down in the valley of Jehoshaphat, where Christ is our comfort. Yes, in the valley of Jehoshaphat, where King Emmanuel is our comfort.
We're proud to be Jamaican since the day that I die. I'm proud to be
Land of
Jamaican.
food and water.
Man, I feel be Jamaican till the day that we die. So hold your head high. We're proud to be Jamaican. Man, proud to be Jamaican till the day that I die. We're proud to be
Land
Jamaican.
of food and water.
Yo, we have a big
We're
up
proud
man
to
like
be Jamaican
Dr.
till the
Early.
day that I die.
Yeah, man, Nicodemus and them man there. And I'm going back in the days the star.
Sunshine country where me born and grow. Sometimes it rain but me never see it snow. Even though it rugged sometime a little slow. Farmer man until the side, fisherman still a row. Jamaica consists of 14 parishes. Clean atmosphere with natural beaches. 3 counties with 2 major cities. Can't run from where me I come from, I big up me heritage. Where me I come from full of herbs and natural spices. A place where you can hear the most sweetest voices. We've been through the crisis, make the sacrifices. Now go give up because we know what life is. Remember this is the birthplace of Marcus Garvey, Peter Tosh, Jacob Miller and Bob Marley. Cause this is what me see, Jamaica full of legacy. So me now go left, can't want Middlesex now sorry.
We're proud to be Jamaican since the day that I die. I'm proud to be
Land of
Jamaican.
food and water.
Man, I feel be Jamaican till the day that we die. So hold your head high. We're proud to be Jamaican. I'm proud to be Jamaican till the day that I die. We're proud to be
Land of
Jamaican.
food and water.
We're proud to be Jamaican till the day that I die. So hold your head high. We're proud to be Jamaican.
driver, all cars, man, all taxi